ราะว่าถ้าต้องการพวกเครื่องซักผ้ากับเตาเราจะลงให้
air conditioning
อ๋อเครื่องซักผ้าเตามีให้ปะ
เป็นเตาแบบ
Go to cave now Go back hotel
yeah well, we're on our way to go and view a property. What is it, a 3-bedroom house, love, yeah?
I don't remember 2 or 3
It's either a 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom house we want to look at. It's about a 10-minute drive from the central of Hua Hin. A little bit out of the way, but not far out of the way compared to a lot of places. So here's this, I think this is a complex, is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know this house.
Well, it says keep going straight on your tom-tom.
Turn that down.
Yeah, it looks quite local sort of style, doesn't it? Don't mind.
Tell me to turn that up there.
Oh, look. Okay, so here we are. Nice little 2-bedroomed house, 12,000 baht. Quite a nice area. Quite a bit away from the actual main town bit. About 10 kilometres, I think. I'll take my shoes off to go in here. Let's have a look. So we'll look on the outside. Little seating area. Next door looks like it's empty. Like a little outside kitchen. Oh, that's not the kitchen, what we're actually cooking. Nice little garden bit at the front.
แถวนี้เขาเรียกว่าอะไรอ่ะพี่
น้องก่อนค่ะ
อ๋อ
So the kitchen, is that the kitchen outside? Yeah.
อันนี้ครัว
ใช่
อยู่
ค่ะ
ข้างนอก
ใช่
Yeah she said
That's the main kitchen.
They have only one kitchen
A bit like Thai style, isn't it?
No have anything here You have to buy things
They've got electric, haven't they? So you could easily just plug a.
Banana อุ้ย papaya
Oh, is that what it is? Papaya salad. Papaya growing, papaya tree.
Snake coming
Snakes.
No no like when looks scary like that
มีเฟอร์นิเจอร์ไหมคะหรือว่า
ถ้ามีส่วนมากถ้าย้ายก็มีทีวี ทีวีกับเตียงนะคะว่าไม่ใช่เตียงที่นอนค่ะแล้วก็โซฟา
เพราะว่าถ้าต้องการพวกเครื่องซักผ้ากับเตาเราจะลงให้
Air conditioning.
อ๋อเครื่องซักผ้าเตามีให้ปะ
เป็นเตาแบบ
การเป็นเตา
หรือว่าเตาเสียบไฟฟ้าเสียบก็เป็น
Bit of a musty smell.
อันนี้มีห้องน้ำเดียวใช่ไหมคะอ๋อ one toilet
Just one toilet, yeah.
yeah main bedroom they don't have a toilet
No.
you like
I like the area, yeah. The house is okay, like. Little bathroom. Electric looks quite newish. Yeah, it's a nice little cute house, like, isn't it? Cozy little house, you know. You know, it's not bad for 12,000 at all.
อันนี้กี่ปีแล้วคะบ้าน
I think it'd just be a little bit far out for us, to be honest. Yeah.
7 year
7 years have been built. Yeah. Is there a communal swimming pool or anything, or?
มีภูสระว่ายน้ำอยู่ตรงไหนคะ
ด้านหน้าค่ะตรงป้อมยาม
อ๋อ
เดี๋ยวพี่หลับ
where we get in
All right.
yeah they have pool มีจิมไหมคะหรือว่ามีแต่สระ
มีค่ะ
อ๋อ
เดี๋ยวพี่หลับ
pool
ไป
and
ดู
gym
ไหมคะหรือว่ายังไง
เดี๋ยวขาออกแล้วค่อยแวะดูก็ได้นะ
ได้
we can look in the when the way out
Yeah. Yeah.
ก็คือรวมค่าส่วนกลางแล้วก็คือเป็นอย่างถ้าเกิดว่าเอาเครื่องซักผ้าด้วยกับแก๊สก็จะเก็บมันจะมีที่
Yeah, it's quite a nice little house, like. You can make it well livable. Just needs a good clean and TV put in and a few things sorting out. But yeah, and it's detached, isn't it? Yeah. So this is the what bit's this, love? The gym bit? Ah, she's got a little gym. What's in the other room? Just that little...
สระว่ายน้ำต้องเข้าอีกทางจ้ะ
Ah, right.
This gym
อันนี้ทะลุกันไม่ได้
huh
ถ้าอันนี้ทะลุกันไม่ได้ค่ะ แต่สระว่ายน้ำ
How do you get to the pool?
huh
How do you get to the pool?
yeah I see the door
Ah, right.
gym bedroom นั่นค่ะ
Yeah, so you got a little gym.
บ้านหลังนั้น
Looks
หลัง
okay.
ใหญ่นี่แพงนะครับเนี่ยขึ้นสองชั้นเห็นฝั่ง They don't have for rent now like big house mostly they sell
Yeah. What do they normally sell for around here?
กี่ล้านนะคะ
ก็มี4 ล้านขึ้นค่ะ
about 4-5 million
Right, right. It's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, a little swimming pool. You can chill out here and do your training and stuff. It's not bad for 12,000 at all.
Vintage เวลาไปซื้อของเข้าบ้านอะไรเงี้ย
ตรงนี้แหละ
ตรงนั้นเหรอคะ
ใช่แต่ตรงนี้มันจะมีแยกไฟแดงตัวนี้เห็นปะมันจะมีบิ๊กซี
สมัยก่อนมันต้องไปตรงปานบุรีใช่ไหมหรือว่ามันมีอยู่ที่หัวหินอ๋อโลตัส
มันมีในห้างตัวเองในมาร์เก็ตมีโลตัส
ไอ้บูพอร์ตนั่นเหรอคะอะไรชื่ออะไรนะ
มาร์เก็ตวิลเลจ
อ๋อ
ก่อนเลยก่อนเลยใช่โลตัสมันจะอยู่ด้านล่าง
มีบิ๊กซีด้วยใช่ไหมหนู
Are they toilets over there, love? Yeah.
ในมาร์เก็ตไม่มีถ้าบิ๊กซีต้องที่เป็นที่หลังแต่ตรงสี่แยกไฟแดงตัวเนี้ย
These are the sort of complexes I like if I'm going to move somewhere, to be honest. I do prefer these sort of areas. There you've got a little toilet and a changing room with showers. It's a lovely clean bathroom. Mm.
ส่วนใหญ่มีข้างในแบบ10,000แต่ว่าก็ไม่มีสระน้ำไม่มีฟิตเนส
Thank you, thank you.
อันนี้ไม่เป็นหมู่บ้านเดียวกันหมดเลยเหรอคะ
ใช่ค่ะ
บ้านแบบไม่มีคนอยู่เยอะเลยนะ
That's the entrance over there, that's where the security guard is. Just there, so you just sort of come in here, you've got your gym, your swimming pool there, and then this is your complex, what goes around.
You want to look around? Can walk in?
Yeah, I'll have a little walk around and tell her.
I'll tell her like I will contact her
Yeah,
if we like. Look like empty house. Empty house.
yeah,
This one look different.
that looks like a 3-bedroom one, doesn't it? It looks quite a big one, that.
Oh yeah, tea bedroom.
Yeah, I bet some of these might even have a swimming pool in.
Oh, this one for sale from the bank.
Ah, from the bank
I think
repossession.
the bank taking
Yeah.
and then the bank. They look nice, but I mean like they don't kitchen not look okay to me, you know.
No, the kitchen's a bit old style, isn't it?
My thinking like, they're gonna looking and they're gonna find themselves.
I think as soon as you pull out a camera, they don't like it, do they? I think you want to waste the time, but it's good to see. I can watch them and watch it on video and have that one's for sale as well.
I mean, like next time we have idea where we go if we want to move.
Yeah, these are the sort of places I'd like to live more than the other place. You know, I like a little swimming pool, me, and I like a little you what, love?
Pool.
Yeah, and gym and
more,
stuff.
What you call safe, you know.
Yeah, more
Like
safe, yeah. Just nice. I like the
This
complex.
for sale.
Quite similar to the one we've already got, really, isn't it? You know.
I think this looks bigger, nicer.
Yeah.
When we go, they go like this.
Yeah, it's a nice
I
sort
think
of.
this size 3 bedroom. Look.
Yeah. Like you could live in that 2-bedroom one, no problem.
I know. Yeah. The
Um,
kitchen. Not very.
I know you just have to buy a few electric
Outside
things.
look like gonna be snake coming when I'm cooking. Yeah, all snake like to come.
Yeah.
If they have the ground like that, you know.
Yeah, it is a lot of water and
The
stuff.
hole, you know, come from the
That's
hole.
quite a big one. Like detached house.
Look nice.
Yeah.
For the big one.
Go on, I love what I do because I need to get my sunglasses on.
Huh?
That'll do for walking. I've got no sunglasses on.
Okay, so that's done.
Well, depending if we go to the cave or not today.
So what you gonna do if you not go to cave now? Huh? Go back hotel?
Yeah. Well,
What?
not really about a lot to do, is it?
Sit and get bored on this tiny room.
I'm not going to go back to hotel though. Like, we've got the central area, haven't we? We've got the. I won't mind looking at a couple of these gyms on the way back from here to see how far they are away from here. But like I say, this is just a quiet area, isn't it? If you really want to live a quiet life, Hua Hin is definitely the place, you know. It's quite interesting, really. Oh look, bird's nest. See that bird's nest?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.